In Welcome, we understand that what customers care the most are quality, capacity, and cost. As your best choice, we not only just provide prefab houses and container houses, but a full land service experience from concept designing to after-sales supporting. Production is our groundstone. With over 20 years experiences in prefab and container camps, we're committed to becoming the leading provider of camp facilities. Strength to produce over 50,000 square meter prefab houses and various types of container houses monthly. We ensure that all project needs can be satisfied. 5 different production facilities for sandwich panel, prefab house, steel structure, container house, foldable and expandable houses. One of which over 20,000 square meter, main exporting base over 40,000 square meter. We are enthusiastic to welcome all different project needs. Owning the most complete product matrix, 9 product trees, over 30 variants, our works cover from cabins to larger accommodation camps and mega living complex. Optimizing material, design and configuration, Welcome can always provide 100% customized solutions to meet your needs, be it movability, fast deploy or economy. Of course, Welcome comply with quality management standards like ISO and CE. Our production system ensures that every detail meets our independent standards. Cost effectiveness is Welcome's core strength. By optimizing supply and production, we can provide customers with the most economic costs and stable capacity. Our after-sales support team is on call 365 to ensure that your project can receive timely and professional services from start to completion. At Welcome, we understand customers' needs and provide a seamless service experience. We not only provide high-quality product, but also comprehensive support to make your project easy and efficient from concept to completion. Choosing Welcome, choosing a reliable partner.